Hey everyone, welcome to the monthly market update for the month of May. We had quite a bit going on with global markets and US tariff news. So we had, during the beginning of the month, the market had a little bit of a downturn based on new threats of tariffs on pharmaceutical imports, in addition to threatening the removal of the Federal Reserve Chairman. However, on May 11th, we had a US-China tariff truce for now, which sparked a broad-based rally, which was really nice to see. So we are back where we were around March in regards to where the market is. Then came the jolt. Moody's downgraded the U.S. sovereign credit for the first time in over 100 years. Treasury yields spiked and stocks wobbled in response. Yet, despite all of that, inflation has cooled, which is good news for us. We believe the Federal Reserve has reason to either pause or lower interest rates. This has led investors to switch a little bit more towards growth, tech, consumer discretionary, things like that. That's good news. Again, for the past 2 or 3 years, interest rates has really been the overwhelming factor for what people are paying the most attention to, and we saw that in this past month. Tech led with a 10.9% gain throughout the month. Consumer discretionary and industrials followed. Healthcare, energy, and real estate are still struggling with policy as well as rate uncertainty. International lagged its U.S. peers. However, Taiwan did see a 12.5% gain with a new trade deal with the UK. China as a whole is still in uncertain territory given its reliance and codependence on the United States. So there's a lot of uncertainty as far as the Chinese market goes. So what is the takeaway for the month of May? We have seen the market go back to the level that it was in March, which is nice. However, tension and uncertainty is still quite prevalent in the market. We have the tariff deadlines, both for the broad tariffs and the Chinese tariffs, taking place over the summer. We have the budget reconciliation bill working its way through Congress. So we have quite a bit of things that are hanging on the market, keeping uncertainty around. The market is remaining pretty resilient in the face of that uncertainty, though, which is really, really nice. So we are relatively cautious, but we are staying on top of it and seeing if any opportunities come from all of the different things as they come to pass. So as always, we appreciate your business, but we value your trust, and I'll keep you posted.